With that, I'm actually going to go ahead and bring up the web now. Alexa, can you see my web screen? Just want to make sure.
Yes. Yes, you're
Great.
good.
So we're on the CID home website, which is very user-friendly and very nice. We're actually going to go to online quoting. We're going to go to web quoting here. Once you're into the web quoting, it will be down. You go ahead and pick your options here you need to do, and you'll be through the next page, which will look like this once you sign in. Once you're in here, you can see all of our products are available. Again, no court form needed on any of these products. You can highlight by industry type. Maybe you just want the special events. Maybe you're just more in the contracting construction space. You can limit what you're looking at, along with states as well. I live in California, so there's always limited options on what we write in certain states. So I like to limit it by what we can see in what state. All coverage lines as well. Maybe you just want liquor, you want just the liquor side of it, errors and emissions. You can look at all of that as well. With that, I'm actually going to go ahead and do a quick test quote on the vacant building. Let's say you can see a quick description of what we're looking at here on the vacant building. But if you want to learn more information on what we might have available, you just hit more info. And you can see more information. General liability, property, including contents, coverage is available. Short-term policies available with no minimum earned premiums, stuff of that nature. And I'm just going to hit start a quote. Once you're in, start filling out the information. If you're not totally sure what you're looking at or you have questions, I want to bring up this chat feature. This chat feature gets you connected to the underwriters who just helped you on the phone as well. Once you're in, you can see that you're in a queue. These aren't bot. This is not AI. They're real, tangible people. Any losses or claims. You can see Michael's already joined the conversation here. Entity type, we'll just do LLC. Owner is completely vacant. Let's do a restaurant. Fast food. No short term. Building value is okay. 1,000 square feet. And you can see I just letting him know this is the test. But you're able to ask him questions about products, all other things that have to do with this, the application, system issues, system question problem, anything you might see. So we're going to do annual. Know that USLI is not the underwriting carrier. Rate test in the subject. You have the ability to do this as well. Let's say if you just want to test out a product that you want to know the questions on, you're not too sure what you're looking at, you can just run through quick test as well. Just filling in an address. We'll do 1 million, 2 million aggregate. Personal will keep all the same. Damage coverage. You can change all these as well if you would like. Obviously, that's going to change the price in certain coverages. Let's say they took over the building in 2020. See, they're from Philadelphia. The Go Birds is a classic. Kind of showing you that they'll know bought. There's no AI in that. The building became vacant in 2021. 1 acre, and we got stories. And like that, we got a quote pulled in here. You can see it's a Mount Vernon Fire Insurance Company. If you don't know who that is, that's just the USLI. That's just our paper. It's A++ rated by AM Best. Not admitted. Most products in California are going to be not admitted at this point, but it's still our paper. It's still ++ rated by AM Best. You can see the premium here is $720. Here's your broker fee. You can open your quote letter. You can open the application. You can share it with anyone else in your office as well. You can add email to whoever you want to send it to. And if you're not sure what the eligibility questions are, you just hit update here. And these are your questions you just need to answer before binding. So you can do no on this, no past foreclosures, the insurance is never canceled, or is there docs, no docs, is the building current fire damage, no, building locked, yes, structure, no, and next to mobile home, no. And with that, it should bring in the rest of the quote, and we're just sending the binding instructions to CID. See it right here, submit. Well, that's where the binding information go. We talked a little bit about how to find this information. Let's say if you wanted to know more about endorsement forms or where to go, you can just type into our forms library here at the top, hit bar. You can see all of our endorsement forms, applications, marketing. You can just type in the actual endorsement form you're looking for here. Type this in itself, and it'll pull in whatever you're looking at. And the dashboard. The dashboard is where all of your quotes are going to live. Every single quote you've got on the web is where they're going to live and what you can do. You can actually click into the quote and you can go back and edit whatever information you might need. So please don't start a new quote if you didn't get what you're looking for. Let's say, again, you're having issues with it, you're not too sure. You can call the instant quote number. Again, it's here at the top for you, the 877-969-7539 number, and mention the quote number or application number, or you can even chat it in and give them the quote number, application number for them to take a look at it as well. So with that, we'll go into the next slide. Some things I've mentioned, again, quoting online, you can web chat. USLI underwriters will turn to submit new quotes along with pre-filled application, appointment sales materials. All bond requests should be sent to the contacts we had CID listed. All things I've kind of already mentioned.